Okay, you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the Disney Fantasy Springs Hotel. We're on the Grand Chateau side, and this is the alcove room. Very nice room. Over here we have the guest bathroom. Everything has a theme to it. So you see over here we have a Disney princess little bed on the side with a castle painting on the side. Here's our living room, where you have a nice dining room table. On this side, you have your coffee maker. Under here, you have your tea sets and cups. On this side, you have your refrigerator. Let me circle back over here real quick. Over here, you have your closet. Nice spacious closet. They give slippers for the entire family down here. You walk further in the living room and you have a couch and a TV that's built in the wall. Everything is looks like a castle princess theme. Over here is your balcony. I'll open it last because there's music playing, but you overlook the park. That's your first balcony. And as you walk this way, we start to enter the bedroom. You have nice double doors right here. And you have two nice, beautiful beds. This room sleeps 4. It's the alcove room, high floor. Over here, you have another built-in-the-wall TV and an ancient castle-like dresser. Over here, you have a desk. It's built in like a little makeup beauty spot with a princess mirror on the wall. You walk this way, you have a mirror so you can see how you look when you're getting ready. This way, you have your bathroom, his and her sinks. And here is your bathtub and your shower. So it's actually like a shower bathtub combination room. Over here you have your toilet room. And back through here is your living room. And I'm gonna take you guys outside for a quick second, but again, trying to beat the music because it can't be on for too long. So we're at the Grand Chateau at Disney Fantasy Springs Hotel in Tokyo. This is the alcove room, high floor. And here's our balcony that overlooks the park. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you at the next one.